Introduction to Advanced Renamer.
Advanced Renamer is a powerful tool designed to help you rename batches of files quickly and efficiently. Whether you're organizing photos, documents, or music, this software provides flexible options for making your file names consistent and searchable. Let's explore how you can use Advanced Renamer to streamline your file management and improve the way you index your data.
Setting up your rename project.
Begin by launching Advanced Renamer and creating a new project. Add the files or folders you want to rename by dragging them into the interface or using the Add button. You'll see a clear list of all files selected for processing, making it easy to keep track of what you're working with before making any changes.
Using methods for bulk renaming.
Methods are the heart of Advanced Renamer. Choose from options like adding text, removing characters, replacing patterns, or using numbering sequences. You can stack multiple methods to achieve complex renaming tasks. Adjust your settings, preview the proposed changes, and see how your files will be renamed before you commit.
Improving file indexing and searchability.
By applying consistent naming conventions with Advanced Renamer, you make it much easier to index and search for files later. Add keywords, dates, or categories to file names for better organization. Well-named files are more searchable on any platform, helping you find what you need quickly and efficiently.
Executing the rename and managing results.
After previewing your changes, click the Start Batch button to execute the renaming process. Advanced Renamer will process your files in seconds. If something doesn't look right, you can use the Undo feature to revert the changes. This ensures you always stay in control of your file organization.
Conclusion and next steps.
Using Advanced Renamer, you can take command of your file organization, save time, and make your collections easy to manage. Experiment with different renaming methods to find what works best for you. With these steps, your files will be well named, indexed, and ready for efficient use.